0-1. Soft ground ball over to shortstop. Roderick Arias charges on the backhand, fires on the run. It's a low throw, but dug out by Wilson at first base. And Salas, aged pitchers from the draft. As a ground ball is hit on 2 hops over to second base, Cobb has it, flips it to first, and it becomes a closer play due to head speed. But he is written Appreciation Day and Kids Club Saturday. Castillo with a first pitch strike over the heart of the plate, but we were all once students. 0-1 ground ball over the mound and up the middle, just out of the reach of Andrew Salas into center field for a base hit. Looked like if Salas was able to glove it, he would have had to play it first, though it would have been difficult mentally. 3-1. Ground ball over first base, and it's under the glove of Cam Clayton into right field. That's going down the line for a base hit. It's going to be for extra bases, as a matter of fact, as Austin Green slides in safely at second base. And just like that, Tampa has run in. 1-2. Ground ball back past the mound, over second base, into center field for a base hit. Run comes home. Second run comes in on the throw from Head. And that is a 2 RBI single for Owen Cobb. And for the Hammerheads, as Salas pops it up on the right side, drifting into foul territory is Wilson. As he makes his way back into fair territory, he makes the catch. That'll do the left side. 1 for 1 today with a single and a run scored. He'll take a breaking ball for strike 1. That's where I shine. This ball is hit off the end of the bat. It's looping quickly into center field for a base hit, and Wilson is aboard for his second hit of the day. Runners now at first and second base with 2 outs, and that'll bring off.
This one popped up off the hands. Tyler Wilson racing over towards the railing onto the warning track, rather just a step shy of the crush, doesn't it? 2-2. Another ground ball. This one called fair. Close race to the bag, but it's won by Tyler Wilson. And the inning, it took 10 pitches to get the strikeout, but gets the job done and picks up right where he left off. Swing and miss by Wilson for and make him 3 for 3. Line drive the other way, a base hit. Tyler Wilson can just do no wrong here against the Jupiter Hammerheads. It's his 8th hit of the series. 2-out base. Runner goes, pitches a ball. The throw down is a strike, and they got him. The throw from Ortega, tagged by. He's 2 for 2. Swings, chops the first pitch over to second base. No shot at 2, only plays at first. Ramirez is retired by Cobb. And head that average has sunk recently. Ground ball over to first base. Just another one that stays fair. Taking it himself, Tyler Wilson. Dylan Head thinks that's a foul. Sharp grounder over towards second base. Nice grab by Cobb to flip to second for 1. Arias back to first, and the inning is over on a nice.
3-1. Grounds it over to the right side. Ranging over is Tyler Wilson. Cade Austin goes to cover, and he's there in time. 3-1 out of 5 possible games. As a breaking ball is a called strike, nothing in 1. You can only have 4 out of 5. 0-1. Breaking ball. Slow ground ball up the third base line. Going to be a tough play for Ramirez. On a bare hand. Fires it to first. It's low, and it's off the glove of Clayton. The infield single allows Wilson to reach. And on the throwing error, the run allows Matthews to score. And the 3-1, fake steal, and it won't matter anyway. It's ball 4. So the Tarpons have gotten the first 3 men on base. Ground rule. Next pitch, popped up behind home plate. Victor Ortega trying to find this spot. Throws the mask, circling, and he makes the very nice catch. The Mets are in first place in the FSL East. Next pitch, soft line drive right to Abraham Ramirez. Thought about going to second, holds on to it. And that's the second out here in 1-2. Tapper near shortstop. Salas takes an unfortunate hop over his head into center field. That's going to result in another run coming in for Tampa. That is just bad luck. It hit something on the dirt there. Salas had no chance on 10 hits. As a ground ball is hit weakly over to the right side, Owen Cobb ranges over, flips it to first, and there's 1 away. That'll bring up Dylan Head. Here's the 1-1. Ground ball over the glove of Cade Austin. Roderick Arias has to be quick with it, fires it to first, and it's just barely in time to get Head. 2 strikes. And the pitch. Head grounds it over to second base on 2 hops. This should do it. Cobb flips it on to first, And that is the final out, and that is the ball game. The Hammerheads with some late offensive life in the ninth. A